Hi, today we're going to learn about scanner lookahead. First, let's type in scanner console equals new scanner system dot and if console dot has next int system dot out dot print line console dot next int else system dot out dot print line console dot oh excuse me, let's clear this out, right, console dot dot next system dot out dot print line finish. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, now what this program does is when has next int is used, it checks for the input to see if the input is type int or type integer, and it looks ahead, but it doesn't use it yet. So if our input is an integer, then the console is going to be this will be true, and then the system is going to print out this whatever our input is. If it is not true, then the console is going to print out nothing. This will clear out the console if it is in an int. And then here, system will be finished printing out our input. Okay, now let's see, if we type a here, this is not an integer, so nothing gets printed out. It'll just say finish here. If we were to type in if we were to run this program and we were to type in 1 is an integer, and then the console, the scanner is going to check, see if it's an integer. And then since it is an integer, I'm going to print out 1 and then finish. And what has next int does is, all it does is it looks ahead and it returns a boolean, which is a true or false comparison. And the reason why it does this is so that there will not be an error if what we've typed in isn't a integer, and then the program just stops immediately. You could just skip out of that and then and then continue on. And thank you for watching. This is all for today. Um, remember to like and subscribe for new videos.